curious to know what National Taiwan University's dorms actually look like, I'm here to give you the tea. Please excuse like the lack of symmetry with these pictures. I am not good at hanging anything up. But anyway, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jaylynn, and today we're going to be doing a room tour. A lot of people have been asking me, what is it like living in Taiwan and how exactly do I live? So this is just gonna be a little insight video on how exactly I am living and managing abroad. So study abroad room tour, let's get it. So this is my view. I have quite a nice view. So this is my air conditioning unit. So it's all in Chinese, so most of the time I am guessing. This is our fire system to let you know when a fire is gonna come. So that's always, you know, useful. Here's my bed, it's so cute and little. Okay, so here's where the magic happens. So here's all my hair stuff. It's in a box, spilling out. It's a mess, but some snacks on my fridge. I put on my shoes up like this. Put on my bag. I do have a regular bathroom. I'm really happy about that because it could have been a squatty, and I'm so glad it's not a squatty because I always miss. I don't know. So here's my shower. It's pretty tall, pretty big shower. And inside my shower, so here is my closet. I have clothes everywhere. My suitcase, some laundry that needs to be washed, and then just more storage on top. So the dressers are pretty nicely spaced. And yeah, that was pretty much it for my room. We're gonna take a walk down the hall. So this is our trash room. We have so many recycling options. That's what I really like about Taiwan. They have so many recycling options. We love that. We love a recycling queen. So, and water. So they have a hot water lock and then cold water. So right now it's at 3. So it's really cold right now, 3 degrees Celsius. So yeah. not supposed to be in here, hence why I'm whispering. So we have some pool tables and some ping pong tables, paddleball, whatever you want to call it. You can mail stuff off here. We have like some study area. So this is our gym. No one's in here. There's nothing in it right now, surprisingly. Usually it's like really stacked and tall. So nobody's in here, which is amazing. So washing machines, and we have dryers. Just your basic laundry room. It's really dirty on the floor. So yeah. I don't have my keys, but this is just the parking garage for like cars and stuff. And this is the stairs, if you wanted to take the stairs. That was a mini dorm tour. Oh, I have to show you outside here. It's like a place to dry your clothes. So yeah, people just dry their clothes out here. And the view is really nice over here too as well. So, wow, this lighting. Somebody's pants, but yeah, the view is really nice. I will be showing the campus of my school soon, both main and the medical campus. But I have to get a drone or like let somebody use somebody's drone to film that. So get ready. I'll be really free in the summer, y'all. And the content will be flowing, okay? So bear with me. It may take a while, so bear with me. Okay. I'm about to go back into my room. This is so hot. I don't know if you can tell, but like I'm sweating. So if you're going to move to NTU, I highly advise you to bring a stockpile of hair care products. Like if you're natural like me, bring your hair care products, girl. They do not have anything for you here. Bring them with you. Also know that Taiwan weather is really rainy and it gets really hot in the summertime. So just keep that all in mind when you're packing. Like, I really messed up when I was packing. I didn't pack any pants. I have no idea why I did not pack any pants. I think I was just rushing, so buy pants here, and that was just not a good move because Asian fit just does not fit me. Like, I'm curvy. It does not work out. Be aware of your surroundings and how limited the resources may be for you, especially if you're a minority. So just keep that in mind and pack accordingly. I also want to say that Black lives will always matter to me, and that should not be up for debate. So if you don't subscribe to that notion, you can go ahead and unsubscribe from me. I will not be upset in any way, shape, or form, but I just want to make that public on my own personal YouTube channel. I also want this video to be a refuge for people to take their minds off of things, because I'm having an especially hard time coping abroad and not actually being in America to enact as much change as I would like to. So yeah, this video is just to keep my mind focused, and you know, because Black mental health is also very important. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video. I look forward to making more content. Thank you. Help me, and I've never met him.